Hi everyone, welcome to Tiflydesigns. I'm still trying to finish up holiday cards, and today I'm creating 3, and these are all from MFTStamps stamp sets. And so I hope you enjoy. The first one I started with some copy coloring. I'm trying to create a background for my first card, so I'm using a bunch of different color blues to create a night sky. I tried to do something different than my Distress inks this time. So here we go. Once I finish coloring, I use this, I believe it's the splatter stamp from MFT, and I'm embossing a snow scene. So I just emboss it with some white embossing powder from Stamp, and then we're going to do our images for the card. And the stamp set is called You Make My Heart Melt. I colored all the images and actually fussy cut them out, and then we're going to put our card together. Then I use my slopes dies to cut out 2 snowbanks, which I'm going to glue to the bottom of my scene, like so. And I end up covering a lot of my background, but that's okay. And then I'm going to add my little kitty cats. Then I wanted a little illumination from the moon, so I used a dabber with some white ink and just go around the edge of the moon. And this I'm just going to soften it up a little by using a piece of paper towel like so. And that's it. Add my sentiment, and that's it for card number 1. For card number 2, I'm using the Holiday Penguin stamp set, and I stamped the Christmas tree and 3 of the penguins. I actually stamped 4, but I didn't use the one with the ornaments on his ears. So I'm using my Copic markers again to color my little guys up. They're so cute. Then I use some crystal glaze and some glitter to add some shine to my little ornaments on my tree. Then I use this Candyland paper pad from MFT again. A whole bunch of stuff is from MFT, the dies. And this one is supposed to be for clouds, but I actually use it as like a snowbank kind of thing. And also the negative at the top of the card. So I use this piece of snowflake pattern paper. And I'm going to add the cloud / snowbanks at the bottom. And then add a negative to it at the top, like so. And then we're going to put our scene together. Then I add my sentiment, add it to a red card base, and that's it for card number 2. For card number 3, I started with, I love these bear stamps, but this one is called Polar Bear Pals, and it's actually a birthday stamp set, but I thought they were so cute to use for the holidays, so I colored the entire family of bears, and I'm going to put a card together as like a card that's going out from a family. So I'm just using a couple light color grays to just add a little color to my polar bears, and then I'm going to color up their pretty scarves and cut them out and put the card together. Then I use this slimline starter die set to cut this stitched rectangle for a slimline card. And I'm using tumbled glass to add a little color to my sky. Just very light. And I didn't go all the way up the top of the card. Just to add a little color to the back of the bears. Then I use the stitched slimline snow drift die set to cut a snowbank for the bottom. And these trees, I forgot the name of the die, but I cut, it's also from MFT. I cut the trees and I add a little color to the edge of them using a gray marker to kind of not have them disappear in the background with all the white. And we're gonna put our little bear scene together. It looks like they're posing for a picture, and we finish off the card. Then I add my sentiment. It says warm holiday wishes from our home to yours. And I added to a nice, pretty aqua color card base. And that's it for card number 3. For the giveaway today, we're going to go digital. I'm going to give away Simon Says stamp gift card. I will choose someone from the comment, from one of the comments. And I just want to know, when do you guys open your gifts? Is it Christmas Eve night or Christmas morning? The gift card will be for $20, and I will choose someone at random as the winner. And I want to thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you next time. Happy holidays. Bye.